What's up guys, this is Massey, welcome to my channel. In this video I want to continue talking about using polynomial multiplication to multiply square roots. So as I explained in previous video, we use the distributive property to multiply expressions with square roots, and then we simplify it if it's possible. So the first example today is root 3 times 2 minus root 18, which is going to be root 3 times 2 plus root 3 times negative root 18. Or we can also write it as root 3 times 2 minus root 3 times root 18. Both of them are the same. So the first one is going to be 2 root 3, and the second one root 3 times root 18, which is going to be 54. Then we need to simplify it. 54, we know it's root 9 times root 6, which will be 2 root 3. Square root of 9 is 3, so it's going to be 3 root 6. Next example, we have 6 times 2 plus root 6. Answer is 6 times 2 plus 6 times square root of 6. So 6 times 2 is 12 plus 6 times root 6. We cannot simplify it more than that. Next example, we have root 7 times 1 plus root 14. Answer is root 7 times 1 plus root 7 times root 14. So root 7 times 1 is going to be root 7. And here we have 7 times 14, which is going to be root 7 plus 98. So it's going to be root 7. 98 is 49 times 2. We have 49 times square root of 2. It's going to be square root of 7. Square root of 49 is 7. And it's going to be root 7 plus 7 root 2. Next example, we have root 5 times 7 plus 2 root 5. The answer is root 5 times 7 plus root 5 times 2 root 5. So we have 7 root 5 plus 2 times square root of 5 times square root of 5. It's going to be just 5. Then it's going to be square root 7 square root of 5 plus 2 times 5 is going to be 10. So one more time, 7 times root 5. Here is going to be root 5 times 2 root 5. We just write 2 here, and we already learned that root 5 times root 5 is going to be 5. So 2 times 5 is going to be 10. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.